Hey all, welcome to Share Trek. This is Raj here, and today I have many topics to talk. I already released a video on PACB earnings, and as I said, we'll have multiple videos today so that we can keep each topic compact and simple, 5 minutes at the most. In this video, I'm going to talk about ALLOGENE and their latest results. I'll also take this opportunity to talk about their various therapies that I think are catalyst or potential catalyst for this quarter. But before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button as we are very, very close to 5,000 subscribers, and your support will help. With that said, welcome back, friend. ALLOGENE has been a pain point in my portfolio because it's down almost 60%. I have always been looking forward to ALLOGENE picking up, but it has not done so far. But today it picked up handsomely. So I'm discussing this quarter results a bit more positively than I would otherwise. ALLOGENE Medicine gained 12.3% today on the back of its earnings released yesterday after trading hours. In their earnings report, they reported an EPS of minus 0.53 cents against an estimate of minus 0.589. However, on the revenue side, they came in 226% above expectations at 44K against an estimate of 13.5K. So it's nothing great. It's just that the 226% number looks big, but if you look at their revenue, it is just 44K for the quarter against an estimated 13.5K for the quarter. So I don't think that makes much of a difference, but we can say that they came above expectation on both revenue as well as earnings count. Friends, as I mentioned before, earnings estimate for these companies is very difficult given they do not have monetized therapies. So I would not focus much on this aspect. Instead, we should look at the company's cash burn and cash runway. And that's what will give us a better idea. As per their report, cash and cash equivalents and marketable securities as of June 30, 2023 were $545 million as compared to $515 million as of March 31, 2023. So it has increased a little. The company expects existing cash equivalents and marketable securities to fund operating expenses and capital expenditure well into the second half of 2025. The cash runway remains unaffected from their Q1 2023 guidance. Suffice to say, we have nothing coming close to monetization during this year, and key milestones seem to be happening in 2024. So there is nothing much to see here until 2024. That's my feeling. Here is a rundown of what the company has to say about their ongoing therapies. They have progressed further in the various variants of ALLO 501A, which is their frontrunner, with their ALLO 501A Alpha 2 trial in phase 2, and they are enrolling patients in the industry's first potentially pivotal phase 2 allogenic CAR-T clinical trial with ALLO 510A across sites in the United States and Canada. The European Medicines Agency recently approved Alpha 2 clinical trial application, and patient enrollment in Europe is expected to begin in Q3 of 2023 and in Australia by year end. So basically, I think everything that's going to happen for this therapy is going to happen in 2024. And here is an analysis of their financial by comparing Q1 to Q2, because there isn't much to talk about in terms of therapies. Suffice to say, we didn't have any setbacks, so that's a positive. We have had better than expected earnings. We have had better than expected revenue. That's also a positive. So there is no negative so far. So I thought let's compare Q1 and Q2 and see what it is. So you'll see the picture on the screen here. The table shows the comparison. And overall, the second quarter Q2 shows several positive improvements for the company compared to the first quarter, and including reduced net loss, improved net loss per share, decreased R&D expenses, and increased cash and investments. These factors contribute for a more favorable financial position and indicate progress in the company's financial performance. However, it is essential to keep monitoring future financial reports to track the company's ongoing progress and performance, which is what we'll do in this channel going forward. And The company has not been able to, if you look at the TradingView chart out here, price chart out here, you will see that the company has not been able to pierce the resistance at 6.53 since 23rd February 2023. Today it is gained close to 12% at time of recording and showed above average momentum with signs of MACD turning bullish very shortly. So I do not think this momentum will last, because we will have potential equity dilution next year, and this year they don't seem to be monetizing any therapy. So I'm more than expecting this rally to fizzle out, or move sideways until the next quarter results, unless there is some positive catalyst that comes around and the overall economic uncertainties are lifted. Unfortunately, I have ALLOGENE and it's been underwater in my portfolio. I'm afraid to sell a covered call to take advantage of this spike, because if it were to be executed, I will lose 60% of value. In other words, I will realize the accrued losses, and I don't want to do that right now. So now we come to my question for this video. Well, please use just Y or N in the comment section to answer my question. Do you think ALLOGENE will continue to stay weak until Q3 results? And that's all for now, my friends. I would look forward to your answer, and I'll see you in the next video with another earnings release. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.